According to the Canadian Cancer Society, cancer remains the leading cause of death in this country and is responsible for 30% of all deaths in Canada annually. On average, 500 Canadians are diagnosed with cancer every single day. 200 Canadians will not survive their battle with the disease by day's end. Manon Tétrault is a grade 9 student at École Saint-Joachim in Le Broquerie. She was only 4 years old when her maternal grandfather passed away.
He passed away a long time ago from cancer. He had lung cancer and prostate, and we were really close.
This was a traumatic event for Manon. Now at the age of 14, she is reliving that experience as her paternal grandfather undergoes treatment for prostate cancer. She recalls her reaction when she learned that another grandfather was sick.
Sad, scared. Because even this grandpa, I'm really close with him.
Manon took matters into her own hands and decided to do something, not only for her grandfather and his situation, but for those everywhere dealing with a cancer diagnosis. With the help of her mom, teachers, and fellow students, Manon was able to organize a bake sale that raised more than $520 for Cancer Care Manitoba. But she didn't stop there. Manon had made the decision 2 years ago to grow out her hair and donate it to an organization that makes wigs for cancer patients who have lost their own hair due to chemotherapy treatments. Her ponytail will be donated to the Beautiful Lengths organization based in Ontario. Manon admits that the donation process was a little nerve-wracking.
It was scary, but exciting. It felt good. Just knowing it was going to go to one special person out there.
And Manon shares this message with the cancer patient who will ultimately be the recipient of her beautiful locks.
I want them to feel beautiful, have hope in themselves, enjoy it.
The motivation behind Manon's efforts doesn't rest solely with her grandfather's battle with cancer. She's already decided to grow her hair out again so that another cancer patient will be able to feel pretty and normal while undergoing chemo. And as far as raising money and awareness surrounding cancer-related issues, Manon is motivated by one sole desire.
So less people can leave their families.
And if Manon could be granted one wish?
Delete it. Just delete all cancer.
For Steinbach Online, I'm Karen Black.